In this video, we are going to see how Incognito Admin Manager helps you fully customize and control the WordPress admin experience. First, we make a new role, a clone from administrator role. Then we assign this role to a new user, as we see. Now, when this user visits the login page, as you can see now, it's a fully customized login design. If you want your login page to look like this, it can be easily customized by our plugin. Please watch our previous video. After logging in, you will see the default WordPress dashboard, including the WordPress logo, footer, notices, and screen options. Now let's customize everything. We go to Incognito Admin Manager as you see. Then we go to Admin Theme Styler. We style the WordPress admin dashboard using our own brand colors. On the right side, we can have a live preview, allowing us to see changes instantly. Okay, now we are putting our branding colors. Okay, now we save the setting, and as you can see, all colors are now applied across the dashboard. Next, we clean up the interface by hiding the WordPress logo and removing unnecessary elements such as footer, branding, and admin notices. As you can see, we make refresh for the page, and the logo it's hidden, and the screen options tab and the footer of WordPress. Now we will upload our custom logo, giving us a clean and fully branded WordPress admin dashboard experience, as you will see now. Okay. Then by default, the apply to administrator is unchecked. We can check it and make the administrator dashboard also to be designed as other roles. And we can enable or disable the settings as you see.